Mastering Rust's HashSet for efficient data handling. Explore the power of Rust's HashSet for managing unique data elements. Create a HashSet using HashSet, new or by collecting values from iterators. This allows for efficient management of collections, ensuring each element is unique. HashSet stores only unique elements, automatically ignoring duplicates. This feature simplifies data handling by ensuring each item in the set is distinct. Use insert to add elements, remove to delete them, and clear to empty the entire set. These operations allow for dynamic management of set contents. The contains method allows for efficient membership checks, providing fast lookups to determine if an element exists within the set, optimizing search operations. Perform set operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetry to manipulate and analyze collections, identifying common or unique elements efficiently. To be stored in a HashSet, elements must implement the eq and hash traits. This requirement ensures proper storage and facilitates efficient data handling within the set. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.